Good morning. Now some of the features which is given in the topo sheet, that also you have to understood. Though it was given in your book from page number 18 to page number 23, all that features you have to learn so that you should understand the topo sheet nicely. Now let us see some of the features given on page number 23. The first one is a ridge. Ridge was a reason it is not a high as a mountain, but it was a raised land. It was a raised land. It was not a plain area. It is a raised like a mountain, but it does not have the height like a mountain. Is known as a ridge. Secondly, it was a spot height. Spot height is generally in the circle. It was written 260. It means that mountain having the height of 260 meters. It is not because it was mentioned with the dot, so it is known as a spot height. It is generally the height of the mountain. The second thing is a relative height. Relative height generally mentioned by the small r. 3R means the reason having it is a plain area, but it having the height, the stones are there, mud is there, and that having the height of a 3 meters. So 3 meter, 3 means 3 meter, R means relative height, the height with the reference of a surrounding area. Generally the height is measured with the reference of the ocean level, ocean water, but the R means from the surrounding. When the height was taken by the surrounding, it is mentioned by the small r. So it is known as a relative height. The third feature is known as a fire line. Generally in the topo sheet, it was mentioned by two dash line, black in the color. The fire line is generally in the forest. If you know, in the forest, when the area of the forest caught the fire, whole forest was burned. But this first line, what it does, it protects the fire, spreading of the fire. In the forest, one center point, the fire line was made where the trees were cut and the road was built, either it was filled with the sand. It generally separates the two area of the forest. It is because if the one area caught the fire, the other area should protect it from the fire. The fire should not spread. Just keep in the mind, it is not to control the fire. It was for the controlling the spreading of the forest. So it is known as a fire line, indicated like that in the topo sheet, known as a fire line. It prevents the spreading of the forest fire. Forest in the center part or the many part was there where the first line was made, so that when the one part of the forest caught fire, the other part is protected, is known as a fire line. The next thing is a causeway. Causeway was mentioned on the here. Okay. Causeway is a bridge. It is like a bridge only, but it is not a constructed like a bridge. The streams, the black line indicates the stream which having the water in the rainy season, and in the rainy season when it having a water, you will know the temporary type of bridge was made. So it is known as a causeway. Contour. Contour is a contour line having center line, circular line, having a 220 meters of a difference, known as a contour height, is known as a contour. Barkish. One word comes of the barkish, generally with at the side of the well it was written. The barkish means the well is, the water of the well is not good for the consumption. Either it contains a salt or may it having a many chemicals, so it is not used for the consumption. The next one is a depression. Depression means the reason having, simply we call it gadda. In Hindi we call it gadda. Gadda, you understand na? That is only the depression. In the topo sheet, it was written in the center, it was written DEP. Means that particular reason having the, it was a low-lying area, depression. Stony waste, the reason having the stones, and so much of a stone is there that cultivation cannot be possible in that region. Sheet rock, I had explained, rock or rock means the reason having the rocks. After that, the survey tree. Most of the trees on the topo sheet was of the green color, but if any tree of this shape, black color, and one line was there, it means a survey tree. A particular tree, if needed to be surveyed, like in the Gorakhpur, if apple tree is grown, an apple was there in that tree, then naturally that tree will be surveyed. Similarly, if the tree having up for 100 years or more than 60, 70 years, that tree will be surveyed. So survey, when we do the survey of particular tree, it is marked with the black and it is known as a surveyed tree. After that, embankment, if the region having the embankment, if any lake, if any the lake having the 3R means the lake water was flowing in that region. So the mud was put and the height of that was 3 meters. So it is known as an embankment, kinara. We call it kinara, embankment. After that, the stone quarry from where the stone is mining. Mendes. Mendes when the river flows, when the river flows in this direction, it is known as a meandering of a river. It is known as a Mendes. So this is the features you should learn. Though in the topo sheet, when you will get in the examination topo sheet, all these features will be there. Only you have to recognize the topo sheet. See, this feature was given. Similarly, this feature, one big topo sheet was there, and at the bottom of the topo sheet, this type of a features will be there. From that features only you have to learn. It was given on page number 25. That features you should learn, and with the help of this feature, you have to identify the things which is given in the topo sheet, because the question may come related to that. Now one more thing, in the book, the topo sheet was given, the question answer was given of the topo sheet, but the question answer is, many answers I find is not a correct. So don't rely with that question answer. In the workbook, you should try to do the question answers in the workbook. In workbook, the question answer were given, or we will do afterwards. In the time of a revision, we will do. Now the part of a topo sheet from my side, it was completed. Whole topo sheet I have completed. If you have anything which you have not understood, or you want to revise, or you want to ask, you can ask. You can message in the smart class and I will answer there only. The topo sheet, as much as you practice with the topo sheet was given in your book, many topo sheet was given, you identify all this, you learn all these features and try to identify all these features in your topo sheet. Then only you will understand. The questions are there in the book. This that type of a question only in examination come. Try to do that and try to understand. If you're not, you can ask, you can message me. Thank you.